Manifesting is like magic. It's bringing your dreams to life. It's about believing in your desires so strongly that they become real. You have the power within you to create anything you want. Think of something you really want. Maybe it's a new house, a good car, or a family trip. Manifesting can help you achieve it. It's about focusing your energy on what you want and believing it's possible. You are a powerful creator. When you set your mind to something, amazing things can happen. Are you ready to start manifesting your dreams? Let's begin this exciting journey together. Imagine planting a seed in the ground. You want it to grow into a beautiful flower. Setting intentions is like planting seeds for your dreams. Intentions are your deepest desires and goals. Be clear about what you want. Instead of saying, "I want to be happy," think about what makes you happy. Do you love spending time with family? Do you enjoy painting or playing music? Write down your intentions. This helps you focus on what you want. Read your intentions every day. This reminds you of your goals and keeps you motivated. Remember, clear intentions lead to powerful manifestations. Be specific about your desires and watch them bloom into reality. Close your eyes and imagine your dream coming true. What do you see? What do you hear? How do you feel? This is visualization, a powerful tool for manifesting. When you visualize, you create a picture in your mind. The universe responds to your thoughts and feelings. So when you visualize your desires, you're sending a powerful message to the universe. Make visualization a daily habit. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your dreams. The more you visualize, the more real your desires become. Visualization is like daydreaming with a purpose. Paint your future with vibrant colors and watch as the universe conspires to make it a reality. Keep gratitude, appreciating the now. Gratitude is like a magnet for good things. When you're grateful for what you have, you attract more things to be grateful for. It's about appreciating the present moment and all the blessings in your life. Start by being thankful for the simple things: the warmth of the sun, a good night's sleep, the love of family and friends. These are all blessings to be grateful for. Keep a gratitude journal. Every day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. This helps you focus on the positive and attract more good things into your life. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that opens your heart to receive more abundance. Embrace gratitude as a way of life and watch as blessings multiply around you. Take action, nurturing your dreams into reality. Manifesting isn't just about wishing and hoping, it's about taking action towards your goals. The universe loves action. Think of your intentions as seeds. Visualization and gratitude are like sunlight and water. But you also need to nurture those seeds with action. Break down your goals into small steps. If you want to be a writer, start by writing a paragraph every day. If you want to be a musician, practice your instrument regularly. Don't be afraid to take risks and step outside your comfort zone. Action creates momentum, and momentum leads to manifestation. Remember, the universe rewards action. Take those inspired steps and watch your dreams transform into tangible realities. Always believe the power within you. You are a powerful manifester. You have the ability to create anything you desire. It all starts with your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. Believe in yourself and your dreams. Trust that the universe is conspiring to support you. Keep visualizing, practicing gratitude, and taking action. The power to manifest your dreams lies within you. Embrace it, nurture it, and watch as your life transforms into a masterpiece of your own creation. You are capable of amazing things.